Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Meet and I 5G smartphone. Okay, this is helpful for those who have forgotten their password. Okay, to do hard reset, first power off your smartphone. Just tap on power off and tap to power off the phone. Okay, now the phone is successfully power off. Okay, now press and hold volume up and power key together for a few seconds. Now release, and you can see it will send you in recovery mode. Okay, now volume rocker is to move up and down and power button to select. Okay, now go to wipe data and select, and you can see wipe all data, select, and you can see confirm wipe of all data. This cannot be undone. Okay, now go to confirm and select, and you can see wiping data wiped successfully. Okay, now back to main menu and reboot system now. So guys, this is the method to hard reset Meet and I 5G smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for latest updates.